Hi there, Roger Brooks here, and today I want to talk to you about toothpaste. And you better bring some, because if you don't, you're not going to have very many friends after a few days unless you're buying toothpaste everywhere you go. Now, as you know, I don't believe in checking a bag. That means I can only bring 3 ounces of liquid. That includes toothpaste. So I can't bring one of these on a flight. It's too big and they won't let it through. On the other hand, you can buy these little things, but the darn thing is, they last a few days, and then what? You're always out buying more toothpaste. So I found a great little product that I just love. It is this. It's called Toothpaste to Go, yeah, there it is. And you can buy these just about anywhere. There's a link down below this. But here's what I like about it. It comes with this little thing. So I want to show you how to use this. So what you do with this is we actually will take this, and I will take the end of this Toothpaste to Go. I will screw this onto the end of it. Then what I do is I squeeze it till letting all the air out. And you can see I do use it. There's a little bit of toothpaste in there, and I get it right about there. And now I'm going to squeeze in my toothpaste, my real stuff, right here on the other end. So this is how this works. This is really a simple contraction. Now what I'm going to do is squeeze from the big toothpaste tube. You can see that one filling right up. I just filled this up, and I just am filling it chock full, about like that. Okay, then what I do is I undo this one. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid back on it. And there we go. So that takes care of that. And now I'm going to squeeze this a little bit, and it'll suck some of that in there. Then I undo this, and then I will put this little lid on my Toothpaste to Go bottle. Now, this gives me nearly a week and a half to 2 weeks worth of brushing my teeth a couple of times a day. I love this. But there's one more thing. Let's go back to this. Now you can see there's some toothpaste here. And so what I do is I have to rinse that toothpaste out of there. And so I go over to a sink, turn it on, and I just go get a cheapy toothbrush. And what I will do is I literally will use this toothbrush, and I swirl the toothbrush down through there, just like that. What I'm doing is just cleaning out that excess toothpaste. Otherwise, it dries out this little tube. Now, I don't bring this stuff with me. It's just what I do before I leave for every trip. So now what I've done is I pretty much cleaned all that extra toothpaste out of there, and it wasn't even one easy mouthful, but I pretty much just took this little thing with that toothbrush, and I just ran it around in there a couple of times. And now this is ready to go for the next time I need to use my Toothpaste to Go kit. And I just keep this at home. It's an easy, simple way of getting enough toothpaste to last you a week to 2 weeks without checking a bag and without bringing a bunch of these little bottles or these little tubes, which really take up too much room in your suitcase. And that's what I suggest for bringing toothpaste with you on every trip.